name's Elijah and I'm going to teach you how to fish. Got him. Oh. Got him.
Let me see. You gonna use it for bait?
Yep. Hey guys, now I got my grasshopper, now I'm going to throw it in. Now you wait to get a bite. Hey, let's go to the creek and find some bait. I already found something. Caught a frog from the creek. He's a small dude, but he sure can live forever. I found him in the creek.
What are you gonna do with him?
We can get a cup, put it in water, and put him in there. Just kidding, I'm gonna release him. I put this fried bacon on so we can catch a big fish. Fish on really well. He's big one. He's very big.
Oh, I don't want to snap the line. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.